Question 12 asks us to extend the program again by using the functions created. Okay, so make sure we use whatever we have created. First, allow the user to input a string of words. We don't need to validate the input. Then we allow the user to input a word to search. Then we output the string of words split into a list. String of words reverse. Okay, this is the functions that we have just written, right? Then we output whether the word input is found in the string of words. So first we ask user to input two things. Now we ask user to input a word string equal to input. Please enter a string of words. Then allow user to input a word to search for. So the word to search for, allow user to input. Please enter the word to search for. The next is to output the string of words split to a list. Okay, so which function is that? That's our task 4, right? That's basically the split sentence function, the one that is provided. But remember this function, it returns. And this question asks us to output. Output meaning print. I'm going to print split sentence word string. That is the third point. Next point, output the string of words reversed. And that is which function? That is this one, right? Reverse sentence. Reverse sentence also returns. So we need to print here. Print reverse sentence and word string. Output the string of words reversed done, right? Last step, output whether the word input is found in the string of words. That is the function checklist. This is whether it's in the list. But this one return us yes or no. If you want to output, we can't just print yes or no. The user won't understand what it means, right? So we need to do this. If checklist word string, if this equals to yes, right? That means the word is in the list. Let's print out a proper message. Word is in the word is found in. Then we put a word string. Else, meaning it's not found, right? So we'll put word is not found in word string. Okay, so this is the last question, 6 marks. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines for 6 marks.